Hey everyone, welcome to Noor Telecom. Today, we're tackling a deep troubleshooting issue with an iPhone 11 Pro proximity sensor and True Tone is not working. So, let's dive in and find out what's really going on. Disassembling the phone. Removing the display panel. Removing necessary elements. Place the flex to a holder. Removing proximity sensor. Preparing sensor chips to install in a new front flex. This is new front flex. Installing the sensors. Removing a new sensor from old flex. Installing to new flex. Installing the speaker module to new flex. Checking the phone. And that's it. We've successfully replaced the iPhone 11 Pro front flex. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.